Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I want to share with you what that's the normally say shall never end. See, there is every reason why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst because here I will give you all the update back to back. See, I am here for you honestly to bring the world closer to your doorstep. I know that a lot of you remember Alas. He was present right in Finland during the redeclaration of Biafra. And here he met with the Biafran people that are living in Greece. And also he passed a word of encouragement to Biafra people that if they need any encouragement, that is always open. He leave his shoulder for you to lean on. And he also said that at this particular time that he looks that everything is so difficult, that he's always ready. And last, Biafra will win. So my beautiful people, today I have what I want to come and share with you. Do you know that the Deputy Prime Minister, that is Dr. Ngozi, is still in Finland? Now, let us listen to one of the cabinet members that passed the information and we deliberate on it more better.
And I want you to remember, Dr. Ngozi is still in Finland.
Yes, this is where I want to come in. He said that he wants everyone to remember that Dr. Ngozi is still in Finland. And this is one of the cabinet members, and he made this video on 9th of December 2024. So you can see how recent this information is. Now, a lot of things has come to my mind that have you asked, what is Dr. Ngozi still doing in Finland? After this information, the cabinet member also said that, do you guys know if Dr. Ngozi is taking all instruction or information from the Biafra Prime Minister, which is the person of Simon Ekpa? He said, do you people know that? Now, when I heard the word that she is also in Finland, to this very moment, a lot of things were running through my mind. What is she doing in Finland? If it's true that these people said she will be in Finland until the interrogation with the local police of Finland conclude their investigation with the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, that she will remain in Finland. So have you take your time to support this woman? Because it happens now that if it's true that she is still in Finland, that means she needs every support that the Biafra people will give to her. She needs your support at this moment, because if really she is still in Finland to this moment, oh my goodness, does that mean that it is true that she is still under interrogation? They still want to talk to her, they still want to hear from her, they still want to know how the things are running or how they are running this Biafra movement. And if really she is also in Finland, that means there is every reason why she decides to suspend, or why she is putting what is happening right now to place. Now, I think that the cabinet members that are not in the new government should make sure they have a meeting, to make sure they try to find out what is really going on. What is really going on? Is this thing they are hearing that Dr. Ngozi is still in Finland, is it true? If it's true, then you know that in every action there must be equal reaction to it. All what she's doing, there is something that led to it. And again, if she's under questioning, as a lot of people claim, she appeared in an interview recently. This is Star UK, whatever. She appeared on that interview and she speak and pass a word of confidence to Biafran people. This she appeared on Star Radio UK Money Show. And a lot of things were not really clear to people, because if she is also in Finland and she has appeared, she have addressed Biafran before on space, she have addressed Biafrans or addressed the world on this money show. So what are we now saying? Does that mean that she is in Finland trying to fix things about the Biafra Prime Minister? Because a lot of things are coming into the minds of people. If she is in Finland, I know quite alright that she's not under any investigation, because as you can see, she's doing her duties. She tweets, she do a lot of things, she's doing her work, she's okay. That means she's trying to press the button for to get more access to the Biafra Prime Minister. And a lot of people are also asking, what about the Biafrans that are living in Finland? The Biafrans that are in Finland, nobody is coming out to say anything if they have access to the Biafra Prime Minister or not. Nobody is saying anything. And we still keep on saying it, that a house that is divided against himself can never stand. At this moment, the Biafra Prime Minister needs all the support. The Biafra Prime Minister needs to see what is happening, and he will be there rejoicing. He will be there so happy. But if the COS still in Finland, there is every reason for people to really know the reason why she is in Finland and be ready to work with her, because she being in Finland, it will gain more access for everybody to know the present situation of the Biafra Prime Minister. She being in Finland is not even something that they're supposed to put on her, like allow the world to know that, oh, she is also in Finland trying to review things that are not supposed to said. They start saying them. What is all this? Now, I also want you to listen to one critical point again that somebody made, and I'll be right back.
There is a security standing very close to Ngozi, right? Let me just read something. Do you know who he is and how did she get it? Even in the rally, the man was standing beside him. Is it your father that gave it to him, or he just arrived here? The people that want to kill our PMs in Finland carry and give them, or zoo bring them. That it may be a special force, it may be a professional, or standing even in the snow. He was standing close to him. Why you until young Kere doesn't have that security around him?
You get the point? So it is obvious that a lot of things really happened right there in Finland that we don't even know. It is obvious that spiritually things are happening. And again, it appears that of a truth, they're supposed to declare it on 2nd of December. It said, but because they are in haste, that if you see the atmosphere, a lot of things are happening, and I believe that things that are happening is just to stop that redeclaration. That is why they decide to do it on 29th of December. Now, if you listen to that voice very well, he said, there are people following her. Did you see them? So a lot has really happened that physically we are just seeing things, oh, these are invitings, but in a normal sense, things are happening that are not even disclosed to the public. So if all this saga did not come up, you will not even know that a lot of intelligent work is going underground. So that is why I am saying the people that are angry with Dr. Ngozi need to calm down and call for a meeting as it is already arranged. They should call for a meeting and settle this issue amicably so that everybody will continue again. I know quite alright that it is not easy for someone to say I am sorry, but when you say I am sorry, it helps a lot and it heals a lot of wound. So even the people that think they know more better can also decide to call for a meeting. They can form a community or a committee to just discuss, deliberate on the present situation, on the present issues, and see how it will be handled. Instead of all these things we do on social media, is not helping situation at all. So this is just my point. My main issue is, if Dr. Ngozi is still in Finland, that means she really needs support from the Biafran people. So thank you so much everyone for tuning in. Do well to share this video. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I keep giving you all the updates back to back. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my other video. Bye for now.